The Naturals, a dynamic duo launching a retail cosmetic brand. A chemist and her mother are trying to revolutionize the cosmetic industry in Jamaica. Here's the business review.
We are a natural cosmetic company. We do manufacturing and the distribution of raw materials for persons who are making their own natural cosmetic products. So for DIY formulators as well as micro businesses. We also manufacture our own line of cosmetic products that we distribute to like the pharmacies around Jamaica.
The company is just over 3 years old and offers a wide range of products to consumers. These offerings include both retail cosmetic products and about 15 finished products developed under its DNS brand.
In terms of our raw materials, we have a wide variety of raw materials that we carry in our store. In terms of our finished cosmetic products that we distribute, that we manufacture and distribute, we have a number of different natural soaps on the market. Our turmeric line is the DNS line. We also have our turmeric and honey face wash mask. We have our hair growth line as well, our hair care line, which is the From the Root hair line. And we have our hair growth tonic as well as our hair butter from that line. New products coming soon.
Consultations are also available for those interested in DIY projects and starting their own product line.
We also offer workshops here and there that persons do participate in. And for example, we have a soap making workshop, and we also have our lotion, cream and body butter making workshop that persons have participated in as well. And then we have our customers who reach us on Instagram. They'll ask us different questions on WhatsApp, and we definitely assist as well.
And as for challenges?
So as a startup, one of the biggest challenges that we encounter, of course, is the capital, right? So you have to invest so much to get it going in terms of marketing, getting your name out there. And so that has been our biggest challenge, growing the business and, investment in terms of capital.
She says they used loans to start up the company.
So we started with approximately $300,000+, 300 and something $1,000, which was good enough for us. It gave us good inventory to start. We started online, and that was very good. There was a lot of interest in what we had. And then persons wanted to come in and interact with the product. So that brought us to a physical location, which is where we are at now, which has been very good in terms of revenue for us. So we continue to grow. And one of the growth strategies that we have, of course, is our own brand that we are pushing in the distribution outlets as well.
Okay. Being at a physical location for over 2 years now, she says has been bittersweet for the company, as with growth comes increased expenses.
We've definitely far exceeded what we started with within our first year. And then when we moved to this physical location, we even exceeded the amount that we that we made in the first year. But of course, as I said, with increased growth, you take on additional expenses. What has been helpful for us now is that with the launch of our personal brand and us pushing out into the different distribution channels, we've also seen additional revenue coming in from that aspect as well.
Short-term goal, achieving a positive figure on its monthly profit and loss statements. Long-term goal, to become a household name and brand. And currently helping aspiring entrepreneurs to achieve their goals. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.